Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Hafizi bin Ahmad Sabri from Group 12, and I'm going to start presenting our project that is Trolley. In my group with me there is Daniel Fikri and Muhammad Muizuddin. In this project, we are assigned to build a component with at least 5 parts. Then we choose trolley because trolley is a most common thing that we use in any industry. Trolley is a pulley system mechanic. We use to perform a variety of tasks such as carrying heavy loads to move from one point to another. Design improvement. So as you can see, that is our original design. To improve our design, we decide to add a tri-wheel and a cage to the trolley. So the function of the tri-wheel is to make it easier when it's come to climbing stairs. Meanwhile, cage so the loads will not fall apart when we are moving the trolley. Our trolley can max hold loads to 150 kg. The size of the trolley is 600 mm times with 500 mm. It's a common size of any trolley you can find in the supermarkets. The material we use for the cage is a carbon steel sheet, where it's long-lasting steel and not broke when we put heavy loads in the trolley. For material wheels, we use rubber and polyurethane, where this material is very good for rubber because it's the thing that we use on the plane where the condition is unexpected, which means we can use it on the road or on the concrete. And the last thing is operating temperature, when it can last average from negative 40 degrees Celsius to 120 Celsius. For the quality of the animation, the first one is the tri-wheel, and the second one is the box cage. For the simulation results, we use the bottom of the cage because there's most of the loads will put on that part. So we pick that part and we get 2 results from von Mises stress analysis and result from the displacement stress. For result from von Mises stress analysis, we managed to find that maximum value is from the result is 8.941 E plus 0.2 psi, and is below minimum value of 0.00 E plus 00 psi, which means that when we doing this analysis on this fixture, it shows a positive result in maintaining the stress from the model, which means it can maintain the loads that we put, and the load that we put is around 300 pounds, which means it's around 150 kg. For displacement analysis, you can see that from the side of the bottom cage to the middle, it start changing color from blue to red, which means it's resulting increase in displacement that is still considerable to withstand the load. I forgot to mention that the fixture that we choose at the bottom of the cage is the side part of the net. So the maximum value that we get from the displacement analysis is 2.662 E minus 0.3 inch. Means why the minimum value is 0.00 E minus 00 inch. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muizzuddin. Today I am going to explain on our minute meeting. Okay, for our first minute meeting, first date is 18 until 22 November 2020. The time 11 until 1 p.m. The place is Google Meet. For our first minute meeting, first agenda, we decide and pick a group member in class. Second, lecture explaining the information of project. For second agenda, we discussing the project with group member. The participation is all group members. For our second minute meeting, we had in 22 November until 24 November 2020. The time is 8 until 9 p.m. The platform is Google Meet. The agenda for this meet, we updating the report about title of the project, which is decided by Amirul. Second, we decide to make a bicycle for this project. The idea came from myself, Izzuddin. Second agenda for this project is we do some research of bicycle with group member. This include all group members, and the last for this meet, we prepare slide for approval idea presentation, which is made by Daniel. For our third minute meeting, we had in 25 November 2020, time 10 until 12 a.m. The platform is also Google Meet. The agenda for this meeting is we last check on the slide and get ready to present, which is explained by Daniel. Second is we presenting the idea of the project to the lecturer. This is presented by myself. The second agenda is update the idea after getting approval, and update the report and Gantt chart, which is held by Amirul. The fourth one is 6 until 13 December 2020. Time 8 until 9 p.m. Place is home through WhatsApp. So the first agenda is thinking the main idea and objective of this project. So this is decided by me. And second, we update the report and Gantt chart, which is helped by Daniel. For the next mini meeting, 13 until 20 December 2020, time 8 until 9 p.m. The place through Google Meet. First agenda for this meeting, we make a change to the title of the project, helped by Amirul. Change the title of the project from bicycle to trolley. Idea is come from myself, Izzuddin. The second agenda from this meeting, we update the new objective, which is held by Amirul, and we prepare slide presentation for update of the project by the next minute meeting, 20 December 2020. time 10 until 12 p.m. through Google Meet. The agenda for this meeting, we presenting about Trolley on project to lecture by Amirul. The second agenda, we update the report and do some correction on objective and scope of project by myself, Izzuddin. Learning basic step in SolidWorks software. This is including all our group members. So the next minute meeting 27 December until 3 January 2021, 8 until 9 p.m. Place at home through WhatsApp group. So the agenda for this meeting, we divide some work to group members. Add ideas on product design and improvement to make on the project report. Helped by Amirul and Is. Second agenda, we update the product description, product specification on the report. Helped by me, Izzuddin. Next one is 3 until 10 January 2021, 8 until 9 p.m. Place at home through WhatsApp group. Agenda is start doing sketching and try on SolidWorks, including all group members. Divide a work to group members and compile together, including all group members. Next, 10 until 17 January 2021, 8 until 9 p.m. Place at home through WhatsApp group. We continue to discussion and conclusion and references on report. Make a last check and do some correction on report, including all group members. The last one, that is the last one. Now we are going to the Gantt chart. Now I am going to explain on our Gantt chart. Solid Modeling Project BNJ10503 Project Gantt chart. For agenda for this project, we have Chapter 1 Introduction, Chapter 2 Product Description, Chapter 3 Part Measurement, Chapter 4 Discussion, and Chapter 5 Conclusion, and also references and others. For introduction, the starting date 17 November 2020 until 22 November 2020. For Chapter 2, Product Description, the starting date is 23 November 20 until 30 December 2020. Chapter 3, Part Measurement, starting date is 8 December 2020 until 14 January 2021. Okay. For the Chapter 4 Discussion, the starting date is 1 December 2020 until 5 December 2020. For conclusion, Chapter 5, 16 December 2020 until 23 December 2020. For references, starting date 21 December 2020 until 3 January 2021.